Make a great choice today with the 2023 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start. Inside you'll find backup camera, technology package, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, ventilated front seats, auxiliary audio input. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.